We're up here on a skyline above Campbell, and we've got 9 46 kV poles down. So now we're drilling a larger diameter hole for the poles, but we're also contending with kind of a bedrock wash area, and so we're dealing with kind of a rocky riverbed kind of terrain. Here you're grinding on it for a while. You have boulders, you have cave-in because of the silty, sandy conditions. Everything is working against you while you're trying to get the job done. It's time consuming for one because we're not drilling in just one type of soil here. We have multiple types of soil that we're dealing with, so we have different kinds of augers that we're using. If it's a rocky hole, which a lot of them have been, it's just a slow grinding process. And I mean, you're basically pulverizing and grinding the rock, or you're core drilling it out and having to remove it, and then remove that core that you drilled out of the drill bit. So it's definitely a process, and it takes time. Most of our holes so far are about 12 to 13 feet deep, and so it's hit and miss on each one. Some holes you can start and get a rocky layer on top and cut through it, and then drill the rest of it out in 15-20 minutes. Some of them, they take hours to drill. If you're drilling somewhere like 5th and Alvernon, where you can just pull up next to a sidewalk and pull an auger out and punch a hole real quick, good soil, you can dig it out in 15 minutes. It doesn't take much time. You can get a 12-foot hole pretty quickly. We're going back with steel poles as opposed to the wood poles that were here, so we have a larger diameter hole. They're much heavier, much taller. It's heavier equipment and heavier stuff to set.